channel. If you're new, hey girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that like button for me. Those 2 videos a week, so you're definitely going to want to stay around so you can check that out. Today's video is going to be about how I style this hairstyle in other ways. This hairstyle is really trendy. I also did a video on how I did this hairstyle, so please make sure to check that out. I will leave a link in this video. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how else to style this hairstyle. I see it everywhere and I'm just like, you know, it's so cute, but at the same time it gives off like, okay, this is the only way I can wear it. This is it. Like, you want to get your money's worth. If you're going to be using bundles, you definitely want to get your money's worth. I use synthetic hair, but I mean also to just switch it up. I don't like to wear my hair the same way every single day, so you know, this will just give it a switch up. So the first hairstyle is going to be, basically it's just this, but you're gonna take your braids and it's gonna be like a half down, but with the ponytail. You're gonna take your braids and you're gonna want to pull it up like that. That's the first style. Okay, for the second style, you're going to pull this up into a ponytail. Okay, so once you get to this point, you're gonna want to take your braids and they're gonna be mixed in, so just pull your braids out. Okay, now that you got all the braids, you're gonna take them and you're just gonna wrap them around the ponytail. Okay, boom. Now this is really cute and out the way. I feel like I look like a little girl when I have a ponytail, but it's so cute. I love having ponytails. I love up styles, buns, ponytails, all that, or like low ponytails. I love my hair out my face. I feel like it's just so cute, but I always feel like I look like a little kid. It's cute. I really like it to switch up the style. The next style is gonna be a bun. You're just gonna go straight from this into a bun hairstyle. As soon as I get home, I'm throwing my hair in a bun. This is so easy. This is quick. This switches the style up. If you don't have like hair left out, or like your quick weave or your sew in is not where you feel comfortable enough to lift it up, you can always just throw a headband on it. Boom, throw your headband on. Nobody even knows. Throw your headband on, switch it up. So you have the original style down with the braids, that's 1. Then you have the half down with the ponytail, that's 2. You have the ponytail, and then you have the bun. So that's 4 different hairstyles you can do with this same hairstyle. So if you want to switch it up, you definitely can. You don't have to feel like this is just it. It's just stuck like that, because it's not. You can change it. So to give yourself some versatility, or if you have a job or a lifestyle where you can't just wear 30-inch hair all the way down your back, then boom, go ahead and switch it up real quick. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed my styles, please let me know. Leave me a comment. Also subscribe, girls. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm loving to see subscribers. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm definitely trying to grow my channel, and I'm trying to interact with more of you guys and engage with more of you guys. And if you made it to the end, I appreciate you. There's some more videos up there. Why don't you go check them out? So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.